Michael Fassbender is in talks to play David in Fox's Prometheus. The details on that story and a release date change in seconds. Thanks for tuning in to Clever Movies. I'm Chelsea Cannell, coming to you from our movie headquarters here in Hollywood. Fox apparently thinks that Ridley Scott's Prometheus is more of a big summer opener than a late spring release and has just moved the film's date back from March 9th to June 8th. Noomi Rapace has already been cast, and the word is Michael Fassbender wants to get in on the action and is apparently in talks to play David. Rumors are circulating that the character will be an android a la Ash or Bishop from the Alien films. Additionally, we are also hearing that Angelina Jolie and Charlize Theron are also circling the project. Now, as you know, Prometheus was first rumored to be an Aliens prequel before Fox redirected and changed the name, but the film is still said to have strands of Aliens DNA. So are you guys into Fassbender joining Prometheus, and how are you guys feeling about the rest of the cast? Fill us in our comment section. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at Clever Movies to get more Hollywood casting news as it happens. Thanks for watching Clever Movies, and we'll see you next time.